Linus says AI is great for throwaway projects, but serious software is different. If code must survive for decades, prompting isn't enough, you still have to understand and maintain the result.
One of the things that I think has always been true when you look at the code written by developers. Good developers write good code, other developers write code that then breaks. And the same will be true for the people prompting the AI tool. People who know what they're doing, who understand systems, will be able to prompt tools to write good code. And people who don't understand the complexity of systems will also prompt systems and write code, and it will fail.
And I think you do want to understand how it all works in the end. I don't program in machine code anymore, but I still look at the generated code. So when I use a compiler, even when I use AI for my pet toy projects, I will use AI to generate code. I will look at that code. I will actually still look at the assembly language end result because it's what I grew up with. It's kind of where my comfort zone. And right now I'm playing with microcontrollers anyway, so you really want to actually look at the generated code and make sure it's doing what you really want it to do. So I think even when you use AI for coding, if you do a project that you actually maintain long term, you need to understand not just your prompts, but you need to understand the end result too, because that's the only way you can maintain it long term. And it's easy enough, and we see that all the time, where you basically generate a new project and it's a throwaway project and it's a one time and it's over. And AI is great for that, and we call it vibe coding. But if you want to make something serious, you're going to have to maintain it for 35 years or something. And at that point, it's a lot more than just writing the prompts to make somebody else generate the code.